Best solar pool heaters. One of the main advantages of solar pool heating systems is that they're much cheaper than other types of pool heating systems. They're also very easy to install and maintain. In fact, most DIY homeowners can install them on their own. However, if you decide to go with a professional installation team, it'll only take them a few hours to get everything set up and working properly. In addition, I think the best solar pool heaters are supposed to be quiet in operation and will require very little or no form of electrical connection at all. The best solar pool heaters require other supporting factors like panel quality, heating prowess, and adjustable fittings. Hi there, welcome back to Consumer Sherpa. SmartPool S601 Pool Solar Heaters, best overall. The SmartPool S601 solar heating system is a solar collector designed specifically for solar pool heating. Its unique, patented design and high performance capacity makes it the most efficient solar collector in the market. The system is made of very heavy-duty propylene construction to withstand the harshest elements and features 80 square feet of solar panels. Installation kit is required and also sold separately in most occasions. Featuring a durable propylene heat collector, this system offers maximum performance, efficiency, and durability. Not only will your energy bills be cut in half by using solar power, but your confidence will be high knowing that you're using an environmentally friendly heating method for your swimming pool. The S601 is easy to install and use. Just connect it to an existing 1.25-inch or 1.5-inch female threaded return fitting at the pool pump. Installation kit sold separately. This includes two 4x20-foot solar panels with bypass kit, 2 hose adapters, and 2 hose clamps. Perfect for heating any in-ground swimming pool with a flow rate of 70 to 80 gallons per minute, and will raise the water temperature 6 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This product is perfect for above-ground pools, in-ground pools, new pools, and existing pools. The top-quality propylene solar panels are lightweight and extremely durable, even though the straps are not very capable to withstand extreme temperature variations, chemical treatments, and heavy snow loads. This complete and economical solar swimming pool heater can pay for itself in as little as 1 to 3 years. Fafco 128 Solar Panel Heating Kit, best value option. For a longer and more comfortable swimming season, the Fafco Solar Bear Economy Swimming Pool Solar Heating System is a pre-plumbed panel designed for easy installation in about an hour. This panel heats any unheated above-ground or on-ground pool using free heat from the sun like the S601. The 128 is a true do-it-yourself system. It warms your pool by simply laying it flat on the ground or by mounting it to a roof rack with included brackets, so you don't have to fuss with compatibility charts trying to figure out which heating panel will work with your current pool pump. Save money and the environment with this solar heating kit. This eco-friendly solar-powered pool heater is not only affordable, but you can also enjoy swimming no matter what the weather's like outside. Simply connect your pool pump and place the panels on top of your roof for easy installation. There's no need for a gas line or gas bill. The panel produces about 148,600 BTUs per day and raises water temperature an average of 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Installs in about 30 minutes, and the warranty covers parts defects, workmanship, and customer labor installation. Keep the fun going all season long with the Fafco Solar Pool Heating System because there aren't much cons on this product. This solar pool heats for above-ground pools are designed for up to 18 feet in diameter, and the 24-foot panel is about 4.5 times more efficient than other solar products on the market. And with this simple, easy installation that works with any pool pump and filter system in about 30 minutes, you'll be enjoying your warm swimming pool with minimal setup effort. Game SolarPRO Curve Solar Pool Heater, best premium choice. Looking for the most efficient way to heat your pool? The Game SolarPRO Curve Solar Pool Heater has been designed for above-ground and most in-ground pools like the rest here. It increases the pool temperature by 5 degrees in 4 days for an 8,000-gallon pool. But that's not all. The solar heater is made with a durable propylene construction and has been designed with high-quality materials that'll hold up against frequent exposure to the sun and outdoor elements. This above-ground solar pool heater also features a curved design and complete installation kit, so you can get it assembled and ready to use in no time. Get ready to enjoy your heated pool this season. The curved solar heater is designed with high-quality materials, but will fare nicely against frequent exposure to the sun and outdoor elements, especially for years. This is why it is way more durable as an above-ground function than in-ground. But the collectors measure 4 inches by 10 feet each, with a total surface area of 40 square feet. The curved design of these collectors will help you capture more sunlight than traditional flat heaters. A step up from the original SolarPRO, the curved model has 50% more heating capacity thanks to its unique curved shape that maximizes heat collection. It's compatible with Intex, Bestway, and most above-ground pools, and comes with threaded ports for versatile plumbing options. The solar heater includes accessories for 1.25-inch diameter hoses, and it's one good choice while included rubber hose fittings provide a high level of flexibility when it comes to installation. Increase the temperature of your pool with the Game SolarPRO Curved Solar Pool Heater 2. This solar pool heater is specifically designed with adjustable legs, and the durable, corrosion-resistant collectors are built for long life. We hope you found this video helpful. You have the links in the description box to get further information on all the items on our list of the best solar pool heaters. Kindly leave a like and comment if you enjoyed watching, and let us know if this video helped you make a decision, because there will be way more on the way. Subscribe to us if you haven't, and have a great time.